G'day guys, it's Johnny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we're doing the classic, how to open a beer with a lighter, right? Now I watch a lot of videos and people don't actually show you how it's properly done. So what you do, you grab on, you want to hold on tight, right? So you want to get your lighter and you tuck it in, right? Now a lot of people, when they do it, they just pull straight up, right? That's wrong. So you sort of push in and up. Right, now here's just a quick little demonstration, right? But what you want to do, you want to make sure you use that bit there, not this bit here. So you put it in there, you pull up, push up, and away it goes. Oh, nearly busted the lighter. This one's a bit of a toughie. So as I said, push up, tuck it in. Oh, nearly breaking me bloody lighter. Alright, now, well, this one's a bit of a toughie. Right, we'll try one more time. Push up. Break it. Oh, I think actually gas and stuff is starting to come out. We've destroyed this lighter, so I'm thinking maybe you need a stronger lighter. But yeah, you just push up, push out, and away it comes up. And oh my goodness, guys! So the tip is, mate, make sure to buy a decent lighter. So as you can see, I've actually busted that. That's busted up. We're gonna give it one more go, right? Right, so you come in. As I said, lever that up. And away you go. That was Johnny's Hot Tips. How to open a drink with a lighter. No troubles at all. Alright, now for the final last little tippy, make sure you add a lemon in there. So it is possible, but yeah, I just don't know that cheap little lighter I got. So you put your lemon in there like so. There you go. Cheers guys. See you on the next one.